Alright, so what is up mga tech shop, no? So I have here Samsung A32 5G touch not working mga tech shop. As you can see, not working. And I'll show you how to fix this issue mga tech shop, no? Just to give you background information about this phone, they just replaced a new LCD for this phone, and I think the LCD is not an original, and it doesn't have a fingerprint functionality. It's just a TFT version of LCD. So to fix this issue mga tech shop, touch not working, what you need to do is force restart the phone first. Okay, so force restart by pressing volume down and power. Just wait for it until you see the Samsung icon. There. Then just wait for it. Alright, so you should have the ability to touch it. Okay, good. And then enter the password for this phone. I'm just gonna enter it. Alright, so I'm able to log into the phone. So basically mga tech shop, the reason why it's not working, or the touch is not working, is because this new LCD doesn't have a fingerprint functionality, and the fingerprint lock is enabled. So we need to disable it mga tech shop, no? So that it's not gonna ask for a fingerprint. So let's see, for example, let's go to settings. Where's the settings? Here, there. And then just search for fingerprint. So fingerprint, fingerprint. So fingerprints, then go to fingerprint, and then disable it mga tech shop. So let me just enter the password, then disable fingerprint unlock. Alright, so if you lock the phone and then unlock it, you don't see the fingerprint icon. So if you touch it, that should work mga tech shop. Alright, so that's how you fix that touch issue mga tech shop. So if you're interested in this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's go!